Let me ask you something. When you're at the checkout, do you reach for your debit card without thinking twice? Big mistake. Don't get me wrong, debit cards have their place, but swiping them in the wrong situation can leave you wide open to fraud and financial headaches. In this video, I'm breaking down why your credit card might be the real MVP in your wallet and when you should definitely avoid using that debit card. So stick with me because the last tip could save you big time. So let's go. So let's start off by talking protection. When you swipe your credit card, you're spending the bank's money, not your own. That means if there's ever fraud, the money isn't leaving your checking account while you wait for a refund. But with a debit card, well, fraud takes the money directly from your bank account. Sure, banks may refund you after an investigation, but that could take days or even weeks. And in the meantime, you could be scrambling to pay your bills. No thanks. So here's why credit cards often come out on top. Number one, purchase protection. Many credit cards offer coverage for lost or damaged items, while debit cards don't. How about fraud alerts? Well, credit card companies are usually faster to detect and alert you about those suspicious charges. What about cashback and rewards? Well, you get points, cashback, or even airline miles. When was the last time your debit card ever rewarded you? Exactly. All right, so here's the part you don't want to miss. There are a few places where you should never, ever, ever swipe your debit card if you can avoid it. Online shopping. Cyber criminals are lurking, and if they get your debit card information, well, they can drain your account quickly. Use a credit card for that extra layer of security. Number two, hotels and car rentals. Now, these businesses often place holds on your funds, sometimes hundreds of dollars. With a debit card, that hold comes right out of your account balance. With a credit card, not an issue. Next up, gas stations. Skimmers love gas pumps. If your debit card information is stolen, your money's gone until you fight to get it back. How about large purchases? Well, when you buy something expensive, a credit card offers you much better dispute options if something goes wrong, like, for instance, when an item is defective or it doesn't arrive at all. And here's a bonus tip. If you want to avoid debt, but you still want the protection of a credit card, try this. Use your credit card like a debit card. Pay it off immediately after making a purchase, so you're building your credit while staying out of debt. And that, my friends, is a win-win. So the next time you're about to swipe, remember, your debit card might seem like the convenient choice, but convenience isn't worth the risk in the wrong situation. So if you've learned something today, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your biggest debit card horror story, and, of course, subscribe if you're ready to level up your financial game. See you in the next one, my friends. Have a great day.